Hi, my name is Nora Unkel, and I'm the writer-director of A Nightmare Wakes. A Nightmare Wakes is a retelling of the classic novel Frankenstein through the life of its author, Mary Shelley. Mary had a pretty tragic and horrible life, so in this retelling, she uses her novel as a way to escape and in order to cope. I am so excited to be bringing Nightmare to the TerrorMolins audience and festival as our international premiere. I want to extend a huge thank you to the entire festival team, especially to Mikkel, for the extraordinary support and excitement that you have shown this film. It only makes me more excited to see what your audiences have to say. So on that note, if you're going to TerrorMolins this month, please feel free to check out A Nightmare Wakes. Let us know what you think. I really hope that you enjoy it and that we can extend this wonderful spooky season for as long as possible. Thank you again.